In this tutorial I will show you how to turn off join in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the join feature in Roblox. Let's get started. First, grab your device and open the Roblox app. Once you're in, tap on the More button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you've tapped on More, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the menu. Here, you'll find Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on this option to proceed. Next up, tap on Visibility and Private Servers. This is where you'll control who can join your experiences. Now, you'll see an option labeled Visibility. Tap on it to access your privacy settings for game joins. To turn off the join feature completely, select No One from the available options. By selecting this, no one will be able to join your games or experiences. And that's it. Your setting has been successfully updated.